Hey, Math 7 students. Mr. Anderson here. First Khan Academy that you should be doing today. It's called Interpreting Negative Number Statements. So let's get started here. Which statement can be represented by -2 minus 5? Well, let's say a temperature of 2 degrees would be a positive 2. So it's got to be either B or C. And then -5, does that mean going up 5 or down 5? Down 5. So do we want to increase by 5 or decrease by 5? If you said it's letter C, oh, I forgot to put in little circles there. You're correct. This one should have been letter C. All right, you're going to have to live with it. I forgot the circles today. Sorry about that. All right, Daredevil Danny is cliff jumping. He jumps off a cliff that is 14.2 meters above the surface of the water. At the end of his jump, he is 2.3 meters below the water. The following equation describes the situation. 14.2, how much he was above it, equals -2.3, which is how much he was below it. -16.5 is how far he jumped. Okay, so he was jumping, that's how far he jumped. Let's see what this one is. The distance from the cliff to the surface of the water, is that? No, because 16.5 is how far he jumped. Danny can reach a 16.5 meters at the end of his jump. No, he doesn't reach a depth of that. That's just how far he actually jumped. So neither of these actually work out. Neither of these tells us that. So this one would be letter C, none of the above. Let's figure out one more here. Which situation can be represented by 3 plus a -7? So we start with a +3. A football team lost 3 yards. Well, that doesn't seem very positive. A football team gained 3 yards. That's better. A football team gained 3 yards. So it's one of these two. Then -7. Let's see, that sounds like we're going to lose some yardage. Team lost 7 yards. Yep, that looks good. Team gained 7. No, that doesn't look good. So this one would be letter B. So I think you're going to find interpreting negative number statements isn't that difficult. Moving on. Let's do one more con today. Negative number addition and subtraction word problems. I know word problems scare us. They're not scary, guys. They're actually pretty easy. We just got to apply what they're telling us here. Enzo lives in Buffalo. So Enzo lives right here in Buffalo. He hears on the radio that another city is 6 degrees warmer than it is in Buffalo. So if this is -2, which one is warmer? Would warmer be going up in degrees or would warmer go down in degrees? Yeah, it would go up in degrees, right? So which city is 4 degrees or 6 degrees warmer? It would be Syracuse. Letter C, Syracuse. See, not very difficult. Oh, you're right, Mr. Anderson. Word problems aren't that bad. All right, here's one more. Let's just make sure it's not that bad. 3 baby penguins and their father were sitting on an iceberg, which is a half a meter above the surface of the water, so just a little bit above the water. The father dove down 4.7 meters, so he started at the half meter above and he dove 4.7 down. Okay, what is the position of the father when he, position relative to the surface of the water? So where is the father? After he dives from here down 4.7, where is he? Well, he's at a -4.2 or underwater by 4.2 meters. Not very difficult there either, guys. These two cons I think you'll get through very quickly. Nail them, get some more done. Come and see me for office hours or during class. I'll help you out with them. And have a great day, guys. Can't wait to see you again. Bye-bye.